In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Snapchat private. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to go open up our Snapchat application. So from here on your location, you want to tap on your profile icon, which is in the upper left side of our screen. Now from here, we want to tap on the gear icon on the upper right side of our screen, which is our settings. Now from here, we want to scroll down and find the privacy control section. From here, we want to tap on contact me. So here, make sure that you have set this setting to friends only. So after that, we want to go back and go to view my story. From here, we want to select and make sure to select friends only. You can also choose custom. So you can just select the friends or those people who can view your story. So I want to go back. From here, you want to tap on See Me in Quick Add. Make sure that this is unchecked. This will work as you won't appear on the Quick Add section of other people. So I want to go back again and go to See My Location. From here, you want to disable your ghost mode and you can select My Friends Only. You can also select My Friends Except, and you can choose those people that you don't want to see your location. You can also select only these friends and select only those friends you want to see your location. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.